Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2023 Yamaha YZFR7. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2023 Yamaha YZFR7 with 7,414 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with tech-spec tank pads, TST Industries front turn signals, LED rear turn signals, a rear fender eliminator kit, swing arm spools, an aftermarket exhaust, levers, and an aftermarket intake. We have installed a new front tire. Powered by a 689cc parallel twin engine, the YZFR7 puts 75 horsepower and 50 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 3.4-gallon fuel capacity, the YZFR7 has a 170 to 200-mile range. It has a 32.9-inch seat height and a 414-pound wet weight. It should be noted that in New Hampshire, this bike would fail because of its turn signals. In New York, this is not a problem. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, installed a new front tire, and the rear is at 6:30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and ships well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the engine, scratch on the lower fairing, scratch on the mirror housing, and scratches on the swing arm. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days or 1,000 miles, and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.